What is the difference between entrepreneur and business owner? Welcome back to the Samuna KC vlog. My name is Samuna KC, and in today's video we're going to talk about the difference and similarities between entrepreneur and business owner. And if you are wondering who you are, business owner or entrepreneur, maybe this is the video you need to watch. First of all, let's define the difference between employee, self-employee, business owners and investor. This concept is based on Robert Kiyosaki's book Rich Dad Poor Dad, and in that, according to that book, and it's also self-explanatory, an employee is someone who works for someone else and takes salary every month, bi-weekly or weekly, and they need to pay their income taxes. And the self-employee is someone who owns the job. They don't work for anyone else, but then they have to be physically present to run their businesses. So self-employee don't really own a business, they actually own the job because they have to pay the similar taxes as an employee have to pay. Business owner are the people who own the business. They don't have to be physically present there, but then they have to work on the strategies to grow their business, and someone else, the employees and self-employee, will work for them to grow their business. Investors are the people who spend money in the business. They don't have to be physically present in the business. They don't have to do anything or even planning or strategy work. They just spend money on the business, on the startups, and then gets the profit out of the business. These are quite straightforward. But then there's a quite little bit twist to it. That is, what is the difference between entrepreneur and a business owner? And who am I and who are you? So let's dive into that a little bit. So first of all, who is the entrepreneur? Entrepreneur is someone who sees a gap in the market, and then she takes that gap, creates a product to fill that gap. She spends her own time, own money and energy, and she takes a lot of risk to develop that product or service to take it to the market. And if the product takes off, then she can either sell her company and then exit and makes a lot of money out of it, or she can also decide to stay in the company with a certain amount of shares, or equal amount of share for that matter. So an entrepreneur is someone who sees a problem, come up with a solution for that problem, and then takes that solution to as many people as possible and makes it into a scalable business. And the stake is her own money, time and energy. On the other hand, a business owner is somebody who sells a product or service that's already been proven. Business owners have less risk than an entrepreneur, and they have to do initial investment in the products and services that has already been proven in the market, and then they make sales, they do marketing, they do sales and customer service and make money out of that. The difference between entrepreneur and business owner is the amount of risk they take. Many times in the businesses, you may get an investor from the very beginning because you are investing in something that the market is already there for that product. But when an entrepreneur work on their product or services, we never know if the market is still there. We do our own product research, market research, product development, and from all that time we come up with a product and services to fill the gap in the market. So that's the basic difference between business owner and entrepreneur. There's more risk for an entrepreneur to bring a product in the market because market is new for the product, but at the same time business owners have more risk when investing in the business, because for the entrepreneur we can start a business from like almost no money with our idea, and we can slowly build up into that idea and add money according to the time. But when you are a business owner, you may have to pay everything up front. Either you may be buying a business or franchisee or anyone else's business, any product, you may have to spend all the money all at once. From that point of view, business owner at the greater risk than entrepreneurs. Thank you for watching the video. I hope this helped you a little bit to understand the difference between different category of income and different categories of business and entrepreneurship. Share this video with your friends and family, and comment in the comment section if you are an entrepreneur or business owner. And if you want to know more about these two, we can make more videos on it. For that, you'll have to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Keep watching the Samuna KC blog, and there's more resources available on www.samunakc.com and also in the Samuna KC Podcast to build your personal brand, your business, and the life of your dreams. I hope you'll create that, and I will come up with more videos next week. Until then, take care of yourself. Namaste.